Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide, I'll show you how to change the notification sound on your Android phone. Let's get straight into it. If you'd like to use a different sound for notifications, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to choose a new one. Now let's start on the home screen of our phone. I'll need to go into the Settings app for this guide. If you can't find the Settings app on your phone, simply tap the Google search bar and search for Settings. You can then open the app directly from the search results. I'm going to return to my home screen, however, and open the Settings app from there. Once you're in the Settings app, scroll down a little, and you'll notice there's an option here for both notifications and sound and vibrations. Although you might expect to find the setting under notifications, on most phones it's actually located under sound and vibration, so let's tap on that once to select it. The top of this page mainly focuses on volume controls, which isn't really what we're looking for today. Instead, I'm going to scroll down until I reach the sound patterns section of this option. Here you'll find the notification sound option. Mine is currently set to Eureka. Let's tap on that. You'll now see the available sound collections on your phone. If you wish, you can choose a different collection. If I tap into those, you'll see that different sounds are provided by each. I'm going to return to the collection I'm currently using, however, and I'm going to tap on that once to open it. From here, you can preview the individual sounds simply by tapping on them. Each one plays a short preview, so you can hear what it sounds like before you make your choice. As always, you should find the best one for you, but I'm going to select popcorn as my new notification sound. Once you've found the one you want, simply tap Save in the top right-hand corner to confirm that. And that's all there is to it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Woggle Guides for free. Thanks for watching, and do look after yourself until next time.